Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this really pretty kind of glam bold fall makeup look, then just please continue watching. Or whatever, it's like making me look like glowy or like foggy, like I really don't know how to describe it, but anyway, I just really want to jump right into this. So let's just get started. I went ahead and did this side, and I went ahead and did my eyebrows. As always, I use the same brow products that I've always used, and it is I didn't bring them in here with me. It is the Maybelline Brow Drama and the LA Colors Browy Wowie Pencil. But so I went ahead and did this side, obviously. And I was trying to do like a halo cut crease, but I need more practice on them because I couldn't do it. And then I done it like halfway, and I decided, you know what, this glitter, like I don't even think, well, it's kind of doing it justice on the camera, but yeah. I just decided to go full with it and do it all. Now it is kind of scaring me because apparently this glitter, even though it's in this palette, I think it's not really safe for eyes, but like a dummy, my eye keeps switching. I'm putting it on my eyes anyway. I've been having problems out of this eye lately, I don't know. And this glitter probably isn't helping. But anyway, let's just get started. I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and put that all over my lid. And then just blend that out. Next, I'm going to take the Profusion Mirage palette in the shade Fuego. Like, yeah, it's this really pretty, like, kind of dark orange color. If I can freaking get it open on this big, fluffy blending brush. Just put that in the crease. And kind of bring it up as well. Put it everywhere. Shut up! Anyway, next I'm going to take this dark deep brown shade in Compass and just kind of put that in the outer part and bring it up as well. And my cat's trying to get in the freaking bedroom. Just kind of blend it up with that orange. It's kind of a hot mess, like me. Next, I'm going to take another blending brush and just kind of blend all of that out, like the edges and everything, and kind of mix it more like together. I'm going to take that beautiful gold glitter shade in Goddess, like me, and I'm just going to put it on. I'm crazy. And just put that all over the lid. Like, how pretty. But it is kind of dangerous, I guess. Crap, put it everywhere. Oh. That's why this glitter's so messy. Now, some places that I might have missed, I just took the Profusion glitter eyeliner, and I love these, and I also have the like silver version of it as well, and I think they have a rose gold of it too. I need to get that one as well. And this one is Gold Rush. And I went ahead and applied some, I was going to do like a wing, but I just applied kind of like a thick, like, line of eyeliner, and I used the e.l.f. I think it's, no, that one's a bit more. The e.l.f. Just Black liner, jet black. Now guys, I am going to take the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and Hannah Baker put me onto this. Not 13 Reasons Why Hannah Baker. No. Henny Bakes. I can leave her information. And like, I've only used this like I think twice. This will be the third time now. But I think I really like it. It is rich and like thick and everything. And it's for sensitive skin. And you know, since it's getting coat out, it's kind of perfect to use. And I think I really love it. And this one was like $6 because it is kind of like bigger, so great for dry skin. I just put that everywhere. And it don't really have like a smell to it. Like, there ain't really nothing. And I think I'm honestly just going to use this as a primer as well. And well, okay, maybe some setting spray, and that's it. Freaking glitters get everywhere. Do you guys see the scratch? My freaking crazy cat did that last night. She's insane, like, literally insane. Now I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild Rose 3-in-1 setting spray. Put that everywhere. It smells so good. That was probably my favorite one of the Wet n Wild setting sprays. They have that one and cucumber, which I have cucumber, but I don't really like it. And I think coconut, which I have not tried that one yet. So I'm going to take the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation in Classic Ivory. But guys, this, I don't know if it's like really oxidized or what, but I'm literally going to change my skin tone. Because, yeah, it's like a little tan-like or something. I really like this foundation as well. I'm going to take my favorite concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Just put that, the usual. That's honestly all I put it. Can't even talk. Went in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. It's probably my favorite concealer from the drugstore. Honestly, that's where I usually always get my makeup from the drugstore because I'm poor. Unfortunately. I'm going to take the Kat Von D translucent powder, and this was actually one of the birthday gifts from Sephora, so just pack that on a little. I tried it like whenever ago, and not really sure if I really liked it, but I'm gonna try it again and see. Kind of let that sit for like 5 seconds. Kind of gives, well, not sure yet about it. Now I'm just going to go in with the LA Colors bronzer. Put that everywhere. I really like this bronzer, and it's cheap. I mean, it's just like a normal whatever bronzer. I mean, if you're on a budget, you know. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Highlight, and I'm pretty sure this is probably discontinued, and I don't even know how old this is honestly, but it's called Mauve, and just look at the colors. It screams fall to me, so. And that's the kind of look we're going for, so. You can tell I did anything. Now I'm just gonna kind of blend that out some. Or try to anyway. Just gonna take that Wet n Wild setting spray and set that. And then I'm gonna wait till this kind of dries and go in with my highlight. For highlight, I'm just taking this e.l.f. highlighter and Starlight Glow. I love this. It's kind of, I mean, it's like gold, but like the color is more like a silver, like, I don't know. Ooh. Put it on the collarbones a little bit. So for lashes, I just used the Glam multi-pack by Salon Perfect. Guys, I love false lashes. Like, they're beautiful and they make your whole makeup look come together, but they're such a freaking pain in the A to put on. Like, just kidding. Don't do that. But, and I also just, I don't know if you can really tell, but I did take some of the Fuego and Compass, is that it? Yeah. Colors, and I just used that on my lower lash line. Sorry. Now for the lipstick. I was really wanting to use this brown shade because I've had it for a while and I haven't used it yet, and it's called Double Espresso by Milani. But I don't know, but we're just going to try it out. And then I also have this Anastasia Beverly Hills kind in Vamp. So I think this is the kind I was wanting to use, or was it a different kind? I don't know. But let's try this and see how it'll be. It's kind of harsh. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I think I really love how it turned out. It screams fall. And this color, I think I really like it. It has kind of like a gold like sheen or something to it. I don't know if you can really tell. But yeah, I think I really like it. This is the Double Espresso by Milani. And I've had it for a while and I'm just now using it. So put it to good use. But yeah, I'm sorry I really like this lighting. It just kind of sucks. Now, obviously, you don't got to go like bold with this look, even though the title is Bold Glam, like fall makeup look. But, you know, obviously you can make it be a nude lip or whatever color you prefer. But I just thought, you know, I haven't used this color yet, and it's brown fall. And it's fall, so yeah. But thank you guys for watching. Please like this video, like it if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I didn't say that? Oh well. And please leave a nice comment and talk to me, because I love it when you guys talk to me. So talk to me. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.